Hey guys, welcome back to Programming Done Right. Okay, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be building a basic website, and this can be the first part of a website building series. The thing that we're going to be doing in this series is just using Wix to create a website, which is super basic, and it's a website builder, so you just have to drag and drop stuff. That being said, I think it's good before we jump into our first website to just use a website builder to build a website. So the first thing you want to do is go to wix.com and make an account. Okay, it's not too hard and it's pretty self-explanatory, to be honest. So you just want to make an account with Wix, and then when you're done with that, all you just want to do is you want to go, and now when you go there, you're just gonna, for me it's like here, you're gonna get this page and you're not gonna have another site, but you can just press create site, create new site. When you do that, what's gonna happen is you're just gonna get this like what kind of website do you want to create, and this is where you can decide. Okay, and if you're new then and they say like create new site, there might be like an option to either use the ADI or let like the Wix build it for you. Press let Wix build it for you because it gives like a basic thing that you can edit later. So let's say I just want to say business. I'm just gonna pick a couple of random. Yeah, no, sorry. When you do this, now you're gonna get the, oh, sorry, no, that's not what I want. Okay, sorry. So let's try that again. So when you do this, they're gonna ask you what website you want to make. I'm into photography today, right? And now what is happening? Okay, yeah, there it is, sorry. So you're gonna have two options, and you're gonna have let Wix ADI create a website for you or create your website with the editor. Press ADI, okay? Because now you just have to answer a few questions and it'll like be good. Okay, it's gonna be a non-profit organization real quick. Yeah, I'm cool with the chat. That's all I want. And this is where you can have some features like a subscribe forum. That seems cool. RSVP, a forum. I want to do that. And then you can do this, and then the name, your organization, Programming Done Right. You should just skip this step. And yeah, you can add a logo to your site if you want. Just because of time's sake, I'm not gonna. And now you can just pick which theme you like. I like a minimal theme. And then now it's gonna give you a couple options for your website. I kind of speed run this, so you might want to take it a little slower. I like this one actually. Okay. Okay, so now it's just gonna load up my site, and I can add some pages and stuff like that. I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna do this like about page and get involved. That's all I want right now, and maybe upcoming events. So yeah, that's all I want. And a blank page. I'm just gonna pick a couple things, maybe meet the team. So now, how do we move on? Okay, yeah. So what now you just want to press skip. After that, sorry, you shouldn't pick it. You should just, yeah. So now it's gonna wait a little bit. And now you just have to wait a little bit, okay? And it's going to take a little bit of time, okay? And we're going to do an HTML, CSS website building tutorial later. So yeah. So now it's just going to take a little bit of time. So let's just wait a little bit. Okay, here it is. Pretty nice, actually. So yeah, this is our website. And now what you can do is you can just press edit, and you can just edit the text, right? I can just say, hi, programming, or I can just say subscribe to Programming Done Right, which is something you should do if you haven't done it already. Way to sneak it in. Okay, and then yeah, that's literally it. And then if you want to design it and like add some other things, you can like transition to the editor. But if you want to like preview your site in like a users thing, then you can always just review it. Give it a second. thing about Wix is it is a little slow, but don't worry, we're going to be creating our own website in a little bit, so we don't need to worry too much. Okay, and now you can go to site, right? And then what you can do is you can transition to the editor. It'll say want more options, and then you can press go to editor. Then when you switch to editor, you get a much more powerful thing to design it. So that's what I like to do. I like to start in the ADI, get design customized for me, and then I like to edit it to my preferences. So that's it for this video, because it's just going to take some time, and then and the rest is really self-explanatory. So you just want to add images, you can add text, you can do whatever. So yeah, that's it. And let me know down in the comments if you want an HTML and CSS video and JavaScript to make your own website with code. That's it for this video. Bye. Out programming done right.